All right, here we have a 2011 Freightliner Sprinter van 3500 series box unit. As you can see, I believe this is going to be about a 14 or 16. I'll have the exact measurements in the description. This has a 3-liter diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It's got 149,000 miles on it. Good clean unit here, great shape, ready to hit those open roads. Take a look at everything it's got to offer. It's got great tires on it, fronts, backs. Take a look underneath here. So this van's got power locks and windows. Power window over here. Cloth interior. Got the manuals and stuff in there. Good look at the dash. A little bit of damage on the corner here. Platform bumper here. Got the slide out ramp. Alright, so you got the wooden floors here, tie down points on the sides, secure your load, fiberglass roof, LED lighting. That works, no problem. Spare tire up there too if you need it. Good look at the frame here as well. Solid. Power windows, power adjustable mirrors. So 11,030 pounds GVW. Okay. Ooh, that sun is bright. So like I said, you got 149,000 miles. You got AM, FM radio here. You got your heat and AC. That's your locks for the van right there. Automatic transmission. Little cruise control. Headlights down there. Not a bunch of fancy features, but just the essentials here for a nice little work van. Come load it up and hit the roads. Come check it out.